We have been using Marbotic for about 1.5 years now. I first came across them when I was doing research to try to come up with ideas to help supplement at-home learning for my kids who were home from school back in April 2020. They have been such a game changer for my kids, reigniting their excitement to learn. They have both letters and numbers. I love that Marbotic's games are intuitive and really easy to pick up even for the younger learners like Hendrix. He's 3. It promotes independent learning, which is super important, and I love that I can get a few chores done during Hendrix's active screen time learning. Marbotic is perfect for the homeschooling family as well as the traditional schooling family like us who just want a little extra learning support for our kiddos. And they are even recommended by today's teachers to help with letter blending and reading preparation. We obviously love Marbotic and cannot recommend them enough.